naabot mo ba ka sa point na feeling mo wala kay talent, pili ko ikaw ang pinaka-bright, pero you have this something na you're willing to learn and you keep on looking for an opportunities na tanaw nimo pwedeng makatabang sa imong pag-grow in life. Here's my good news for you. Pwede nimo malupigan ang mga talented, ang mga bright, na dili willing makatuon, dili willing mag-try, and also not willing to take risk because nahadlok sila sa word na fail. And this is something that I've learned in life na for you to achieve something, you just need to start. Mabitaw, mutatak sa ko agad. Hindi man ni Zig Ziglar na you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Because in everything that we do, siguro wala may nag-start na ito nga maayo. But because of that idea na gisugdan, that's where history follow. So, this is something that I would like to share na if there's an idea na nasa yung mind karon and something is holding you back, ako na mismo mag-ingon na go for it because no one will do it for you. And ihatag na ang idea because there's a purpose behind of it. And ikaw lang gihuwat to pursue and make it happen.